to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press the subscribe button that's down below, and also the bell notification so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. Now for today's video, it's gonna be a little quick. I know every time I say it's gonna be a little quick, it really isn't, but y'all just don't know like this shit that I had to go through before doing this video. I had to put my nails back on, like glue them back on. My wig look a mess, that's why I have on this cap. Like I couldn't fix it enough to look presentable. Even now it looks like shit. My teeth broke off. That's another story for another day. I had to super glue this bitch back on, and yeah, so I tried to look somewhat presentable for you guys. Honestly, I should have just done a voiceover, but I thought you guys wanted to see my face that still looked like shit. But yeah, so that's it, the PSA. But the reason why you guys click this video, I know you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be giving out 4 different lip gloss base vendors. But the one of them where I'm just gonna tell you guys right then and there, because I know you guys are probably coming from her video before. Her name is damn it, is it By Red? I think her name is By Red or Red. I'll link it in the comments down below, or I'll link it somewhere up in the eye so you guys can go check her video out. Because her vendor, let me just tell you guys right now, because hers, she already mentioned it and you guys probably already know that vendor, which is one of them, and that one is called Divine Sensations. I'm gonna put it right here if you guys want to know the name or anything. This vendor is from Etsy, like I said, and you can go on her channel to see how big, no, not how big, but to see how the lip gloss base look like, because she already ordered hers, and hers came pretty quickly, like that's what she said. So I already ordered from that vendor. I actually am gonna order from all the vendors, so let me know in the comments down below if you guys do want me to do a unboxing, I don't know, unboxing or whatever you want to call it, from the different lip gloss vendors. So comment down below if you guys want that. But that's just one of the vendors, which is pretty, you know, it's in the US and everything, which is pretty good. But my thing is, the reason why I wanted to do this video is because clearly everybody knows that every time that, you know, a new Versagel vendor comes out, everybody goes to that vendor, and basically it's either one, they run out, or 2, they start, you know, upping their prices and stuff like that. And I'm not gonna say oh my god, why would they do that? I mean, then again, when you think about it, they didn't really have to up their prices, but I mean, that's the whole thing of business, because the more traction you're getting and stuff like that, I guess you can up your price and stuff like that. But that's normally what happens when, you know, a vendor is like out. Well, someone say the vendor, and then, you know, we all go to that one vendor. So I wanted to look at different alternatives to, if that vendor, the first one that I just told you guys, do eventually run out, or 2, they basically up their pricing and stuff like that, which I know is a high possibility of that happening. So hopefully that don't happen before, like, you know, I purchase a one of my bases and stuff. Hopefully not, fingers crossed. But the second one, I'm gonna put all the names right here so you guys can check them out, because a lot of these names are kind of crazy. But it's called Bougie Kitty Co's. Yeah, Bougie Kitty Co's with 2 E's in the bougie. And they look pretty good, and they have a lot of high-end sales and stuff, so that should indicate that they are pretty good, and they have a good amount of reviews, which is why I picked one of them. And they do have all of these different vendors, they do have different weighing options, like, you know, 5 pounds and all this extra shit. So that was the second one. And then the third one is Beauty for 2, and it's B3AUTY 4, the number 4, and then 2 TWO. If I'm not lazy and shit, I'll put them in the links down below so you guys can just click on it and go directly to the different vendors that I did just tell you guys. And now the last one, I'm not sure if I took a video of the last one, but the last one, this last one is on my favorite website, which is Alibaba. When I tell you guys, I get like everything on Alibaba. So I don't know why I did not think of this before, but it's just something that never came to my mind to search up the the Versagel base from Alibaba, because when you guys sit there and think about it, well, when I sit there and think about it, most of these vendor supplies that are in the US or wherever they're shipping from, Canada or whatever, they do get this from China. Honestly, truly, they get it from China. It's either I'm not gonna say all of them, but probably half of them, they do get it from China. They have a vendor from China, and literally I'm pretty sure they just ship it to them. And yeah, they basically private label those Versagel base. So I just decided to come on here. When I tell you guys, I think I found the best one. Honestly, when you go on Alibaba, just put Versagel vendor, and always make sure you guys go through the checklist. Like, 1, do they have good ratings? 2, do their pictures look legit? Do their transaction amount is a lot? And 4, how long have they been in business and stuff like that. So that checklist is very important, because it will help you find I'm not gonna say like the exact vendor that you want, but it will stop you from wasting too much money from ones that aren't good. Whatever amount you're getting. Yeah, so you have to, for instance, if we're gonna get the biggest one, which is $193 plus the $83, you know, I'm not good with math, so let me put this in my $83 plus 190. So roughly you're gonna be paying about 280 bucks for I'm pretty sure, like, the amount for, because when you go on, for instance, TKB Trading, their biggest size, which is the 30-pound, is like $500 something, 530, 40 bucks. So, and yeah, so that's only for the 30 pounds, and plus minus you have to add the shipping. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you pay for shipping for that, unless they do free shipping now, which I don't think they did from the last time I ordered from them. But I know the first vendor that I told you guys, which was the Divine something, whatever you call it, they do free shipping, which is pretty cool, and their 30-pound is about 40 something bucks. But then again, when you think about this one, it's 280 bucks, which is mad cheaper. That's like half, that's more than a half. Yeah, that's half the amount that you're gonna pay for, you know, buying it from the different vendors. So keep that in mind if you are a big business and you're trying to save on money. Now the thing about this is, since it is from China, it is gonna take you a little bit longer to take. So always make sure that you plan out how you are buying it. Like, for instance, if you're halfway through your 1 like gallon or Versagel base, make sure you already ordered that while you were halfway. So by the time you finish with the one that you have now, the second one or the backup one is already going to be basically here, or it's on its way, and you don't have to worry about getting backed up orders and stuff like that. But yeah, and that's kind of it. That's all the vendors that I personally found that I am personally gonna be buying for my own coins. And like I said, if you guys want to see how the Divine Sense, I think that's what it's called, which is the first vendor, if you want to see how it looks like, you can just check out the, what's her name again, By Red. She's pretty cool, and I really fucks with her. But yeah, and I'll link her down below if I remember. Hopefully I do. But yeah, but I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. If you have another vendor, please comment down below. We can never have enough Versagel vendors, because when I tell you, there's a lot of people that are looking for Versagel, so we can never have enough. So if you do have another one, please share. Like, there's enough money and there's enough things for everybody, so I don't see why everybody is holding back vendors and stuff like that. So, but yeah, but if you guys have any comments, leave it down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed. And yeah, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.